Ceasefire talks between Russian and Ukrainian officials began on the Belarusian border on Monday as Russia faced deepening economic isolation 4 days after invading Ukraine. Russian forces seized two small cities in southeastern Ukraine and the area around a nuclear power plant, the Interfax news agency said. But they ran into stiff resistance elsewhere as the biggest assault on a European state since World War II failed to make as much ground as some had expected. Talks began with the aim of an immediate ceasefire and the withdrawal of Russian forces, the Ukrainian president's office said. Russia has been cagey about the talks, with the Kremlin declining to comment on Moscow's aim. It was not clear whether any progress could be achieved after Russian President Vladimir Putin put Russia's nuclear-armed units on high alert on Sunday. The talks are being held on the border with strong Russian ally Belarus, which has become a launchpad for the invading Russian troops.